the weatherman is already talking that 4-letter word, snow. We've got our 2020 winter schedule open. Even if you don't want to do work over the winter and you want to wait till March, April, and May, you got to stop in and get on our schedule. We're already taking appointments for those months, March, April, and May. Stop in, schedule your pickup, drop your bike off. Let's do our 20-point inspection and see what your needs are. A lot of people don't know this, but we have the capacity of putting 50+ bikes in our climate-controlled warehouse. What people also don't know is during the winter months, we offer a free, interest-free 4-month payment plan for anything over $1,000. What we also offer, if you do more than $1,000 worth of repairs, you get free storage, free Startron in the gas. We don't want to put it away with old gas. We keep it plugged into a smart charger. By the way, smart chargers are on sale for $64.89. We have them in stock. Maybe the winter work is just 2 tires in a service. It doesn't have to be cams. It doesn't have to be handlebars. It could be that you have an older twin cam that needs the cam chain tensioners updated. Maybe you want to take your bike apart and have a bunch of stuff powder coated, and while it's here, we're going to do service and 2 tires on this bike. It doesn't have to be big bore kits, stretched bags, big stereo. It could be just your basic maintenance. Don't wait till spring. Don't wait until it's 100 degrees out and that you want to ride. Take us up on our offer. Let us keep it warm and safe over the winter. Don't put it away dirty.